Hi, it's Rick Rose again with Keller Williams. Today I'd like to talk a little bit about you're going to sell your home. One of the very first things that people look at, pay attention to, and in their subconscious, they don't even do it consciously, is they pull up in front of the house. Do you have good, what we call curb appeal? When they pull up in front of the house, is the grass cut? Does it look nice? Do you have, go and buy some annuals and just put it in the front of the house so it's got some nice flowers and pretty colors, and are the windows on the outside clean? There are no cobwebs, stuff like that. If you're going to sell your house too, and it requires it, some are vinyl, doesn't require, but if you have wooden windows, throw a coat of paint on them. Make the whole front of the house, give it curb appeal. Make it look incredible. Now, curb appeal too can extend down the driveway. Try and hide the garbage cans in your shed at the back, and both sides of the house. Especially if you're going to do an open house. If you're going to do an open house, maybe even put some balloons out front. Attract a little bit more attention. Anyway, that's it for today. I thank you so much. We'll talk soon.